What's going on, everybody? Little technical difficulties with the sound system, but it is 10:01 Eastern, 9:01 Central here in Wisconsin, and this is the 2011 Topps Precision Football Break. Here is the roster. And here's the box for tonight. Topps Precision has 4 mini boxes with 4 cards per mini box. Those right there. Go left to right. Here's mini box number 1. Alright, good luck, everybody. Those are right there. Up first for the Indianapolis Colts, Dallas Clark. And if you haven't seen these cards, they're real nice, thick ones. Really like these. Very cool. For the Jacksonville Jaguars, Maurice Jones-Drew. And no number on that one. For the Dallas Cowboys, Miles Austin. And the hit of the pack is the New England Patriots rookie Stephen Ridley on card auto. Very nice looking card. That is going to David Mack. I don't see a number on this one, but it does have the rookie symbol and very nice on card auto. Nice hit, David. Here is box number 2. Start with the bottom card. Up first, Detroit Lions, Matthew Stafford. Nice looking card. That one is going to Chris F. For the Pittsburgh Steelers, Mike Wallace. And that one's going to Rick F. Arizona Cardinals, Beanie Wells. This one's going to Rigoberto. And the hit of the pack is New York Jets, Balil Powell. On-card rookie auto in a red Sharpie, which is a short print. That is number 10 out of 75. That one is going to Robert. Very nice for rookie on-card auto with the serial number 10 at 75. In the red Sharpie, that's always cool. Box number 3. Alright. Up first, Baltimore Ravens and Anquan Boldin. New Orleans Saints, Pierre Thomas. For the Atlanta Falcons, Matt Ryan. Nice looking card. And that one is going to Jaime. Nice pull. And the hit of this pack is Vincent Brown, rookie jumbo jersey patch. And that is going to Chris F. Very nice. There's the rookie logo down in the corner. No number on the front. No number on the back either. Still a very nice looking card. That is a sticker auto. Didn't get the on card on this one. Still a nice jumbo patch. Nice hit, Chris. Alright, fourth and final box. Good luck, everybody. Up first, for the Packers, Charles Woodson. Nice card going to Joseph. For the Philadelphia Eagles, Michael Vick. And that one's going to Michael. For the Cleveland Browns, Peyton Hillis. And the fourth and final hit, last card, is New England Patriots, Jared Mayo autograph. Nice hit going to David. Two nice pulls tonight, David. I know how much you love the Patriots, though, so bet you're excited. Well, thanks again, everybody, for getting in tonight's break. We got a bunch of stuff still up for Friday, and if I get ambitious tonight, I'm going to put some more up for Sunday and Monday, either tonight or probably tomorrow morning. So check back often and get your spots. Night, guys.